Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to go ahead and be creating this look that I have on my face. It's inspired by my Spider-Man Vans. And there is some orange. Oh, there's yellow in here too. I didn't even notice. I could have done some yellow. But there's orange, there's red, there's blue, which is what we have going on here. And then what I did was got some inspiration from the eyes, where the eyes are right there. Got some inspiration for that to do the liner. So yeah. And if you guys do want to see how I created this tutorial using the Morphe 25L palette, the James Charles palette, the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and some Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter liner, keep on watching. Also, there is some point in this video where I almost get attacked by a wasp. So yeah, I'll include that too. Alrighty, so we are going to start out with our Morphe 25L palette. And so I went out of town, went to Kansas City to celebrate my birthday and my boyfriend's sister's birthday because our birthdays are like super close together. So we went out of town and my package seemed to have arrived on the day that we left, which was like super inconvenient because I couldn't get it. But I got back, checked the mail, checked the office. There was no package whatsoever. So it had been marked delivered, no package. Pretty sure one of my neighbors is like super crappy. They stole it. And so somebody stole my package. I reached out to Morphe's team and I was able to get a replacement because again, my package was stolen and it sucked. So this video could have been uploaded sooner, but package was stolen. Okay, so today, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to be basing our look off of this Spider-Man pair of Spider-Man Vans that I've had the bottoms red. And I really did enjoy Spider-Man Homecoming, so it was between that shoe and two other shoes and I didn't know which one to choose, so I asked my friend Danny, thank you Danny, and she wanted the Spider-Man shoes, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. To get started, I'm going to be using the Morphe 25L palette and then a Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu palette. I know there's been some controversy with Juvia's Place, but I paid for the palette, so gotta use them. We're gonna go into the 25L palette and pick up the shade Life, which is red. Kickback in the palette is real, but so far so good. And now that we've packed that on, we're gonna go into the Zulu palette and pick up that orange shade because the Spider-Man shoes do have a little bit of orange in them. Gonna blend that out. Okay, and on the same brush that I had the orange on, I'm gonna go ahead and dip lightly into the shade Pride, which is like a peachy color. So I kind of want to lighten this orange up. Make sure everything's all nice and blended. And then we'll go back in with the red just to deepen up that red color because it kind of like faded out. Okay, back into the shade Life. Just pack that on again. Like, since we do have our base done, I'm gonna go ahead and actually, yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom. And so we're going to take the red and the orange shades, so Life and then that orange shade from the Zulu palette, and just connect them. I actually really like this. Okay. Now we're gonna do another half cut crease because you can't stop me. So now we're gonna do some blue, and the 25L palette has quite a bit of blue in here. But I think I want to, I haven't actually swatched these yet. Ooh, wait a minute, I was gonna use that one, but it has a purple tint to it. I don't know which color to use. Found my mascara. I was looking for that for like a week. So since the 25L palette doesn't have the exact shade of blue I'm wanting to use, I'm gonna hop into the James Charles palette. Okay, so I'm gonna take the red. I'm going to just pack this on to this part of my lid. Okay, so I'm gonna go find a Q-tip, cut my crease, and then I will be right back. Ready, and now that we have our crease cut, we're gonna go into our James Charles palette and pick up the shade Playground. And then over that, once we get that just packed on, we will go into the shade Peace. And let's see, because I did use concealer for this, so let's see if it will, oh wow, okay. And this is actually like a e.l.f. lip brush, but wanted something that was small enough to go into this area. And then I'm trying to get as close to that white line as I possibly can because I don't want it to like overlap and go onto the red. Once I'm done doing the blue, I'll just make it blend into the red a little better. To blend it real quick, let's go in the shade You're Kidding from the James Charles palette and see if we can blend these two together. And since there is black in the shoe, I'm going to just deepen everything up a little bit with the shade NYC. And we're gonna go back and just blend it out with that Life shade. Okay, so now that everything's blended out and smoky, we're gonna go ahead and take the shade Peace and put it over that Playground shade from the James Charles palette. We'll use the same brush, and that'll just like deepen up that shade a little bit because I really like the shade, but it's not where I need it to be. So we're gonna do some kind of crazy liner, not too crazy, but kind of crazy. So since there is black and white in the shoe, as well as the orange and the blue, and of course the red, there's some kind of like crazy graphic liner, just a little bit. And so this is the Kat Von D tattoo liner that I got from Sephora in the little birthday package thingy, because I mean, I found that this is actually a really cool liner and I like the way it like performs, so I might buy the full size one, but I don't know. I draw a wing and then fill in the wing with white because of, you know, the eyes. Okay, I did just try to use the Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner, and it's not coming out as bright as I wanted it to. So let's switch over to the NYX white liquid liner and see if we could just do this and stay inside the lines and everything. But this one definitely did what I wanted it to, so.
Okay, that's a wasp.
Wait, there's a wasp.
Where?
It's over by the window.
They're getting inside again?
Mike.
Give me something to kill it with.
Hey, just take the shoe. Here. Don't use my shoe. Ew.
Where's it?
Right there on the window.
Oh.
Righty, and now I'm gonna go ahead and take some glitter just because this is not doing it for me, so maybe the glitter will help. And this is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Starfire. This is exactly what it needed. I don't know what I was thinking because it just doesn't look complete without the glitter. Like, I really wish I had silver glitter, but okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and then some lashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna line my lips with this NYX Suede liner in Downtown Beauty. We're gonna go into our Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. My lips are like super crusty. Oh, gross. Oh, that's not cute. Ugh. And that would be it for our finished look. I just decided to keep the lips neutral since the eyes were like crazy. But Spider-Man shoe. And if you guys haven't already seen Spider-Man Far From Home, I definitely recommend it. It's super good. So go check that out because it's good. It's amazing. I liked it better than I liked Endgame. I got a lot of crap for that at home because the twins disagree. So yeah. So definitely go check out that movie because it was absolutely amazing. These Vans, they still have them at Journeys and they're on sale for $49.99. Some coupons floating around on the internet somewhere, so you could probably get them for cheaper than that. They're super comfortable because they're slip-ons, and slip-ons are my favorite type of shoe. More glitter, less bitter. Gabby out.